The Silvia Ballroom shoes are recommended for beginners, teachers looking for comfort, or dancers training their foot muscles to work in heels. This shoe has a multiple toe strap design and an Italian satin upper. The straps are backed with leather to ensure a strong, comfortable hold around the toes. The toe shape is rounded, which provides a more optimal fit. Capezio handcrafted the Silvia last to allow a seamless connection between the sole of the foot and the sole of the shoe as the dancer articulates through movement. There is a dual-layer memory foam insole for comfort and shock absorption. Other features include a suede sole and a 1¼ inch flared heel with firm leather heel counter for support. The Silvia Ballroom shoes are available in sizes 5 through 11 in medium and wide widths. Capezio recommends women begin with street shoe size, or for a tighter fit, size down a half size. Silvia Ballroom shoes are only available in black.